I'm doing good.
Yeah?
Yeah, just looking at the scene, we figure I'd give the viewers of Baba TV a little something different.
Different. Well, no, we are maturing. We can't be afraid of the past and we can't be afraid of the future. We step right into it. And in honor of His Imperial Majesty's strong, just passed, we're here. We're here.
Yes, sir. Peace, brother.
Okay, you too, brother.
Yeah.
It's my dad's van, all 100% hand done, airbrush, manual brush, detail like you've never seen. Look at this beard here. Every single beard hair, manually done. No shortcuts, no nothing but detail. Countless clear coats. We still drive this everywhere. This is still our daily driver.
That is amazing.
Used to be our old Dodge cargo van, green, beat up, scratched. 2011 came by, water-based paints came out. My dad says it's mural time. Full transformation. This is now our daily driver. We You would not believe the looks we get at gas stations. There's something like this.
Not bad. Now, is this the contact information?
Yes. We got two things. Got the contact for our personal store here. Take a look at that. Airbrush by Ed Beard Jr. Flip side. Mural work. We're going to be on PowerTube TV. We're going to be on a special TV network, creator based.
Brother Lawrence, how you doing, sir? Good. There's some beautiful cars out here, huh?
Oh, this is the place. I used to collect a lot of old cars. 60s, 69 is my favorite year. And since that time, kind of graduated. I'm more now, I like my Land Rover and my Jaguar, 80s Jaguar, and my 2004 Land Rover. Those are my first cars. It's a BMW. Most people don't realize that that entire model from 2003, 2004, 2005, it's a BMW special Land Rover. I think it's going to increase in auction value. This is the way you can save money too, by collecting cars. You can enjoy the ride and enjoy the ride.
Hold on, say that.
It's two cars in one.
Two cars in one.
It's this car and it's a Dodge Hellcat.
Uh-huh.
He took everything from the Dodge Hellcat and put inside this car. Interior, electronics, engine, components, everything is in that car.
Where do we go now? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Oh, where do we go now? Where do we go? Sweet child, where do we go now? Where do we go now? Where do we go?
I've been through great tribulation upon tribulation, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. My faith been tested in life, but I'm not a fake, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. Joshua safety up on high man head to high man feet, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. Who and what should I be afraid of? I have no fear, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. I will never let no one control my destiny, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. I will never give up my right, no matter how they fight I, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. I got to hold my head high, just to avoid the fight, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. I got to control my focus and center, and I will never surrender, moving independently, but I keep on moving. Things get way out of hand, so I got to make some correction, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. Many times I question Jah about what's going on, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. It's been a long time in the business now, and I know what I feel, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. The major value in life is not in what you get, but is what you become. But I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. I've been through great tribulation upon tribulation, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. I've been through great tribulation upon tribulation, but I keep on moving independently,